Spell for self-love. Why do we need to perform a self-love spell? You may be feeling frustrated and sick of most things in life. But being too hard on yourself only makes you make more mistakes. Let's all take a step back and really love ourselves. For today's video, I'm going to show you one easy self-love spell to boost your confidence. This is a spell that's all about you and how awesome you are. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. Ingredients: 1 purple or yellow candle, 3 drops cinnamon essential oil, or a teaspoon of carrier oil, a large mirror, 1 pen, 1 piece of paper. Directions: 1. Relax yourself with a long bath. 2. Sit in front of your large mirror. 3. Light the candle you have chosen for this spell. 4. Write down all the wonderful things about yourself with your pen and paper. 5. Close your eyes and meditate on what you have written down. 6. Consider each of those good qualities you have written down. 7. Anoint your forehead, wrists and neck using the cinnamon essential oil. 8. Anoint the paper you wrote on. 9. Look into your own eyes and repeat some or all of your affirmations. 10. Put the candle somewhere safe and allow it to burn all the way through. 11. Place it on top of your self-love paper. 12. Read your affirmation paper every morning and night. 13. Keep it in a safe place. 14. Take a long, restorative sleep after finishing this ritual. Crystals to use with this spell: rose quartz, carnelian, selenite, smoky quartz, amazonite. Using these crystals make the process easier. They will raise your vibration and make self-love even easier. They aid you with finding compassion and empathy for yourself. Things to remember: not only bathing, you can do whatever helps you to relax. You must have at least one thing that you love about yourself. You will probably feel pretty tired after performing this self-love spell. This spell works best when used with other self-care rituals. This spell is best cast on a Sunday evening, during the waxing or full moon. When you're feeling down and really just need to love yourself, this spell is your go-to.